This is the Grab the Cup challenge, where all you need is presence of mind. 2 players will compete with each other. The first one to grab the cup wins. And the winners will compete each other. The best player will be the one to be left and be declared the winner of the game.
Mahahati ka
Let's watch the
agad
fun.
yun. Dalawa-dalawa.
Head, shoulder, knees. Head, shoulder, knees. Dapat kapag tayo.
Kayo ko.
Nakaready ko sa kape. Head, shoulder, knees. Head, shoulder, knees. Head, knees. Knees. Ay, knees. Head, shoulder, knees. Head, shoulder. Head, shoulder. Head, shoulder, knees, head, drop! Okay, bawal tayo, bawal.
Natalo.
Talo ka.
May wala yung cup.
Talo ka. Hindi.
Ay, nagpatalo siya.
Iba yung Nicole and Abby.
Nahati ka agad.
Kapag head, dito ako pa tayo malito. Head, shoulder, knees, head, knees, head, knees, head, shoulder, knees, head, shoulder, knees, head, shoulder, knees, mouth.
Mouth. Ba't may mouth bigla?
Right, engage. Head, shoulder, knees, head, drop.
Wala, dalawa sila. Yan na. Finale.
Knees, head, shoulder, knees, head, pag-head tayo. Head, shoulder, knees, head, drop.
Ah!